Hey all, welcome back to MANOCOOKS. I have tried the most famous Cook with Comali Ashwins and Baba Shankar's recipe of veg lasagna in my kitchen. And to my surprise, it turned out finger-licking good. So in today's video, I'm sharing the recipe with you. This multi-layer oven-baked vegetable lasagna with homemade sauce and vegetable filling is so easy and quick to make, and it is so delicious and yummy. Try out this copycat recipe of Chef Venkatesh Bhat's homemade veg lasagna. I hope you love this video, so let's get started. Step 1. Let's make the red sauce. So for this, take a pan and heat 2 to 3 tablespoon oil in that. To that, add chopped garlic and saute it for 15 seconds, after which let's add 1 cup onion finely chopped and saute this until onion changes to pink and turns translucent and raw smell goes off. No need to brown them here in this stage. Once done, let's add Kashmiri red chili powder and saute for 10 to 15 seconds. After that, I have approximately 2.5 cup tomato puree here. This is the regular tomatoes that I've chopped finely and pureed it in a mixie jar. Now let's add this to the pan. After this, let's add sugar, salt, chili flakes, some Italian seasoning or oregano, and add pepper powder. Mix it, and finally let's add 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup. Now let's mix this and cover and cook this on medium flame. I have cooked this exactly for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame, so do remember to check it once in between. So after 10 to 15 minutes, let's open, and the raw smell of tomato would have gone, and as you see, the sauce is beautifully cooked and reduced and vibrant red color. Let's transfer this in a bowl and keep it aside. Step 2. Let's make the vegetable filling. Take a wide pan and add 4 tablespoon butter to that. Once butter melts, add 1 tablespoon finely chopped garlic followed by 1 tablespoon finely chopped ginger. Saute it for a quick 30 seconds, and to that now let's add 1 onion which I have chopped finely. Cook until onion changes to pink. Now let's add the veggies one by one. I am adding half cup chopped carrot followed by half cup frozen sweet corn followed by 3 by 4 cup chopped mushroom, and let's cook this for 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. After 2 minutes, let's add half cup finely chopped green zucchini followed by half cup yellow zucchini and half cup green capsicum to this. Now to this, add half teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt and quarter teaspoon oregano and half teaspoon white pepper powder. Finally, quarter teaspoon red chili flakes. Now let's mix everything and saute for another 1 to 2 minutes. So the idea here is the veggies should be crunchy and cooked. Now take this off in a bowl and keep it aside until we assemble lasagna. Step 3. Let's make our white sauce. So for this, let's take a pan and add 3 tablespoon butter to that. Remember to keep the flame on medium low. Now once butter melts, let's add 3 tablespoon maida to this and let's saute this for good 3 minutes. Maida should be cooked but it should not change color. After 3 minutes, let's add milk in batches. Here I am adding 2 cups of milk. Add milk in 4 batches, and every time after adding milk, mix it very well so that there are no lumps. Once we have added all the milk and the sauce is lump free, let's add white pepper powder, oregano and salt required for this sauce, and now let's mix this and cook on medium flame. To this, let's add quarter cup mozzarella cheese and mix until cheese melts. Once cheese melts, turn off the flame and you can see the sauce has thickened a little bit. Let's transfer this to a bowl and keep it aside. So to make lasagna, I am taking oven ready lasagna sheets here. They can be straight away cooked in oven after layering them. If you are using regular lasagna sheets, then you would need to boil them first according to the instruction given on the package. So cook that and rinse with cold water and keep the sheets handy. Step 4. Let's assemble the lasagna. Take a oven safe pan. Now to that, add a generous layer of red sauce. Add 2 lasagna sheets as shown. Now let's again spread the red sauce all over and add stir fried veggies. Since these lasagna sheets are not cooked, so it will expand once it cooks. After stir fried veggies are added, spread a layer of white sauce and a little cheese. Layer it with lasagna sheets again and repeat the layering process until it reaches your rim of your baking dish. Here I have totally added 5 layers. So for the final layering, add good amount of mozzarella cheese followed by parmesan cheese. Add a sprinkle of chili flakes, oregano, and I have added few olives on top. These are optional. Now let's cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and keep this ready. Let's preheat the oven at 375 degree Fahrenheit or 200 degrees C, and once oven is preheated, let's bake it exactly for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, let's take out the dish and take the aluminum foil off and cook again for 5 minutes until cheese browns little bit on top. Remember, we are using oven ready sheets here, so I'm covering and cooking this. If you're using regular cooked lasagna sheets, please cook uncovered. So that's the perfect recreation of famous Cook with Comali Season 2 Lasagna recipe, which is really appreciated by both Chef Damu and Chef Venkatesh Bhat. Now that our lasagna is ready, cut in square and serve it hot. Remember to watch the recipe on the screen next, and please leave a like, comment and subscribe if you like to watch more recipes from MANOCOOKS. Thanks a lot for watching.